What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn on or off sensor usage and data on your iPhone. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to privacy and security, tap on this one. Now from here you have to scroll down, and over here you have to scroll down and navigate to research sensor and usage data. Tap on this one, and right now over here as you can see the sensor and usage data collection is actually turned on. So you can turn this off if you wanted to, you can turn it off completely, or if you want to turn on, just turn on this toggle over here. And also apart from this, there is an option to delete all the current collected data as well, which can also be done if you wanted to. So the best and easiest way in order to turn on, just go over here and turn it on. And if you just actually turn it on, you can just go over here and turn it off as well. That's what you have to do. So you can both turn on as well as turn off. So that's what it is. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.